So I got a bunch of keys for this thing. It's because everything's got locks on it and it all works. Let's see. Storm door doesn't latch though. This does. Alright, the step's not automatic and it's just sticking out. It usually kind of folds up in there. It's weird getting in here on a slope, but here we go. Welcome to the house. This thing's awesome. I can't even begin to tell you. It's a mess because this is just how I stepped out of it. I was just chugging water and flinging the bottles. Curtains blew down because I had to have the windows open because the tailpipe was broke off short and this thing had the carbon monoxide warning thing going off, which really pissed me off. But anyway, the refrigerator, propane fridge, and it works. And it's just in perfect condition. I don't love all this brown wood, as luxurious as I'm sure it was in 1979. This is going to end up getting painted some brighter color to lighten it up in here. Got a very nice Magic Chef oven. Of course we do, it's a chateau. Yeah, I don't know how it opens. Nice little range, gas top. We've got heat and air down, or not air, heat down there somewhere. This thing doesn't have air conditioning because it was made for Colorado mountain use, so it's got a whole house fan which does not work because my guy's a douchebag. And look at this, you can poop in here. The shower apparently doesn't work because of a drain problem, whatever, like I'm not a plumber. The guy was really concerned that they could not find a replacement for that, you know, instead of buying a clutch fan. It's supposed to look like that. But yeah, I forget why I brought you back in here, but I did it. I'll be getting all of this very, very functional. And man, it's just like new up there. Got a ladder for getting on that bunk, but I doubt we'll ever sleep there. We're probably going to just turn that into like a storage area for the bed in the back that we're actually going to use. And this is a closet that I haven't even opened. Oh, we got the shoe rack and whatever the hell that is. Some kind of cloth shelf thing. The table, you know, you put that down below here to make the bed, and it's great for that, but it sucks as a table, so we're going to store that tabletop up where the other bed goes and get something, you know, small enough to use for a tabletop here because we're old and we're not skinny enough to squeeze in there. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous, really. We got like 8 inches or something there and maybe a foot there, but whatever, we're going to put a little top there. Got AM FM cassette here that I'll be ripping out and throwing the f away, because who gives a about that. You can see there's been a little bit of funkiness go on, but we'll clean all that up, clean it out. Thermostat for the propane heat. The water pump works for the you know, the thing. But yeah, all in all, this thing is just awesome. Hey, it looks like a speaker fell out. Why doesn't that surprise me? I'll be ripping those out too. I do not care about 70s vintage speakers, cool as they may seem. Yeah. I don't care about any of this 12-volt lighting crap. Some of you may remember I have like a world-class 24-volt solar system, and that will be getting attached to this somehow.